When uMbalula, ubalabula too much when uMbalula, you ubalabula too much. You want to lead this country to chaos. You Nabora Maposa, last time Nitati country, ni is in the chaos. You put this country in the chaos. We don't want to go back to July unrest. We don't want those things to repeat again because of you, ANC. If you don't want to contest, you don't want to contest, please leave umkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe people, they are not even fighting with you. Abali nani. You guys nilwa nabo. Mabati, kuzobane a civil war is because you guys, you are killing their leaders. Fikile uMbalula, stop threatening umkhonto wesizwe about bringing army. Kuzolimala abantu la. Other political parties, they don't have a problem. Nabo Jacob Zuma, they don't have a problem with umkhonto wesizwe. It's you, ama ANC people. Nine problem. Because you know very well, guys, you know very well, uZuma, unbambe hostage, unbambile umsholozi. Abantu bayamthanda uZuma. Namashangani, khuluma amatsonga amashangani egiyani. Bayamthanda uZuma, usebenzile kubo miyeshe. They want Zuma back. They want umkhonto wesizwe. So stop threatening umkhonto wesizwe because you will lead this country to chaos. We don't want to go back to July unrest. Lot of people lost their businesses during that time. Some people are still recovering. Abanye abazange basa recover. We don't want to go back there. If nina nzohleka contest against umkhonto wesizwe, just leave it. Just leave it. I just go to Kutsama and Etatama Ingisela nonsense young all the time. Don't blame people. Don't blame umkhonto wesizwe. Blame yourself. Nitengi say your own brothers. What Chris Han, what Steve Biko. The people Nitengi say abantu labe balwa nani. Manje, the spirit of Chris Han is rising. Umkhonto wesizwe is back. It's back. You like it or not? You like it or not? Umkhonto wesizwe is back. Mbalula, Mbalula, stop your nonsense. Maungazo kulmangani Mbalula. Fala no mwalo Mbalula. Fala no mwalo. You must focus kula bama gogo labla nabo le parliament. That's why Google usase mngani when Mbalula when nwele zemhlophe. That's why Google usase mngani. The time uvula umlomo Mbalula ukhuluma in nonsense. You khuluma in nonsense. Phela. Last time angazi ukuthi usuka ku morning glory nalabo gogo bakho bala eParliament ugijimela ku SABC uyokhuluma wena Mbalula uthi ngeke ukusabana lo shedding. Namhlanje sinayo lo shedding. Ama South Africans, they are tired about your empty promises. They are tired Mbalula. It's not about umkhonto wesizwe. South Africans are heartful. We are heartful. We are heartful. We don't want to hear anything about bringing army. Stop threatening umkhonto wesizwe. Stop threatening South Africans. Everyone has a right to select which political party may I vote. So stop threatening South Africans. Because what you guys are doing, you are threatening South Africans. Fikile uMbalula, you talk too much. I remember last time you even said, Limpopo, hey, it's a home of ANC. You will see a ghost. More special, that side of Guyana, that side of Tsonga tribe.